welcome to Hatchlings Arts Lessons, and today we're drawing a quail and a Q-tip and a queen.
Yeah, today we're doing more alphabet art and Q is our letter. All right, so should we do the saying to help us remember?
Ready, set, go. Big Q, little Q. What begins with Q?
Quail, Q-tip, queen. Q, Q, Q.
I was doing that. That is right for Q.
Really?
Yep.
Cool. Awesome. All right, let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started.
Okay, so a quail is a type of a bird. So we're gonna do a little beak. Okay, so it's a little beak. And then it comes down a little bit right here. There's like this black section right here. And then an eye.
I know every animal has eye. Except for the ones in
The deep, deep ocean. All right.
No, the ones in a cave.
Yeah. Okay, so there's a line in front of the eye next to the beak, and then it goes back like this. And let's not forget the coolest feature of the quail is this little feather that goes forward. And then it starts going down back here. And then it has a curved belly. And then curves back here. And then it has a tail that goes back like this. We're going to draw its wing. It's just standing. Often you see quail crossing the road or something. They like to run around. Okay, and then their feet. You just do two lines
we
down.
have to do this.
Yeah, you could do some little feather markings. You can also draw another line back here. Cool. All right, and then the feet. You just do some bird feet like that.
Mine is in a tree.
Oh, cool. Very cool. All right, now a Q-tip, that's gonna be easy. We'll just do it up in this corner so it doesn't take up too much space. You make like an oval type of shape, and then two lines, and then another oval type of shape on the other end, and that's a Q-tip. All right, now for the queen.
The queen of the world. Can't believe there's still queens.
So we're gonna start with some eyes.
Supposed to be circles.
They're ovals, and you can leave some highlights in there. My Sharpie's kind of thick, but I'm gonna do my best to do some thin eyelashes off to each side. And then just a tiny little nose right there. And then just a little smile. And then let's do her crown next. So a line across.
This is hurting me really bad.
Okay, let's take it off. Okay, so you can do your line across. And then you're gonna do like a long skinny type of oval right there.
It's not skinny.
Okay. And then you're going to do a triangle shape right here. And then an outward triangle shape that way and that way. And then some circles on top of it.
Sorry, mine was too wide.
Yeah, you can do your crown however you want. You can do more than 3 triangles if you want. That's just how I'm doing mine. I'm going to put some triangles inside of my triangles and some dots.
Can I do my head?
Oh, okay, you're ready to move on to the head. So yeah, you can draw a circle. Wait for me. You can draw a circle And then let's draw some pretty hair. So I'm gonna have it come down this way and come down this way, and then she could have some ringlets.
Mine is in a bow.
Oh, very nice.
And some bangs.
Oh, and I forgot eyebrows. Okay. So then just a thin neck right here. And then I'm gonna draw a wide upside down rainbow. And then I'm gonna draw her shoulders going down into it because she's got these poofy sleeves like that. So if you draw them going up above her shoulders, that helps you draw the poofy sleeves. And then you can draw an angle in and another angle in for her waist. And then we're gonna draw her dress. And then just little feet, if you can fit them. And then her arms are gonna come down from her poofy sleeves like this.
How they're still queens.
It's pretty crazy, huh? And then this arm is gonna come over.
Do people get in jail from queens and kings?
Not so much anymore.
Is there still queens?
Yeah, they're more just celebrities now. Okay, and then this is her hand. She's holding her hands together and she's got gloves. So that's why there's this line here, because we can just draw her gloves there. And then you can draw like ruffles or whatever you want when you color it later. Ooh, I love your ruffles. I think I'll do that too. And then maybe 3 circles right here. Yeah. Okay. That's a cute queen. Okay, so now we can do a big Q. So the way you do it, yeah, you do an oval. And I'm doing block letters, so I'm going to skip right there. And I'm going to do that. So you do your oval, and then there's a line that goes through it. And that's your Q. And then the little Q is you do your circle over here.
This is how you used to do it, and now this is. Now you do that.
All right, and then the Q is a circle with a line next to it, and then it comes up
Was
with
that
a little
my
curve.
stomach?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, it was my stomach.
All right, good
But
job.
I'm actually not. I'm full. I think I'm hungry.
Okay, after we're done coloring, you want to go eat? Thank you so much for drawing with us. We hope you had fun drawing things that start with the letter Q. Make sure you follow along so you don't miss our future videos. And we'll see you next time when we draw things that start with the letter R. Bye!